Have you been to a presentation where you're impatient to leave the room as you're disconnected and disengaged? Gone are the days when the audience was expected to be sitting right through to listen to long presentations. This not only tested the audience, but it also tested the presenter to make sure that the audience is listening to the entire presentation. Hi, I'm Naresh Shivani, a career growth specialist, and I train and mentor working professionals, mainly first-time managers, to speak effectively and present with impact. A creativity coach, a laughter yoga trainer, and an outbound team building trainer as well. And this is the context of my video today. In this video, I'm going to share the rule of 3 so that you can make your presentation and delivery more impactful. The rule of 3 really means that the audience listens to 3 pieces of information or 3 messages of your presentation which they can retain and take through at the end of the presentation as well. This not only affects our lives, our businesses and social media. Therefore, remember, there are 3 primary colors, there are 3 secondary colors, and also there are 3 pieces of cutlery that are kept at your table. Therefore, use 3 stories, 3 examples, and 3 messages or lessons that reinforce the message of your presentation. If you like this video, I would request you to click on the link which is given below, which I would share another video of mine which will help you to grow in your career by making your presentations more impactful in terms of delivery and engaging your audience. Thank you.